Hello friends, welcome to ADO.NET tutorial. In this video we will see how to generate custom commands so that SqlDataAdapter will use the custom command to perform the data manipulation. Here, examine CommandBuilder SQL profiler, which we already did. Now we will explore the custom commands. Let's proceed with custom commands. The best way to do DML is doing it through the SQL stored procedure. So we can have a separate stored procedure for insert, update and delete, and you can equip those stored procedure to the adapter. How to execute stored procedure was already covered in one of our previous subseries. You can watch those subseries, and that's the best way to do the DML. In the last video, we saw how CommandBuilder generated the insert, update as well as delete commands. We saw that the update and delete commands uses the where condition, which involves all the column in the data table, right? We can also create our own SqlCommand objects and assign that to insert, update and delete commands of the SqlDataAdapter. Suppose if you want to customize only the insert statement, you can form your customized insert statement and you can use SqlDataAdapter's insert command and assign your customized insert query. So now we will make modification to update and delete so that it will use the key column. This will help in keeping only the required parameters in the where condition class of the generated SQL, right? So update and delete we are going to modify in this video so that in the where condition it will just include the job ID column, not all the column. That way we can customize, and the where condition class of the generated SQL statement will have only the required parameters. So we are overriding the SqlCommandBuilder generated update and delete with our own version. So that's what we are going to do in this video. For example, we can perform delete and update based only on key column. So that's what we are going to do. The data adapter will invoke the custom commands for each row in the modified data table. Right? Custom commands means this update and delete of SqlDataAdapter, which we will supply with some query. Right? Let's say this is the update query S1 and we will give S2 a delete query. And whenever user modifies a column, it will invoke the S1, and when user deleted some rows in the data table and when they click update, the S2 command will be invoked for each row. Alright, now let's go to demo and see how this is working. Now in our example we will handle the set custom commands. We will go to the member section and add a connection object. So just supplying the pubs connection string and forming the connection object. Let it be here as a member of this form1 class, and we will make use of that connection inside. So first we will form our custom query. Here if you see string str update jobs set job description equal to JD, this is the parameter, minimum level equal to minimum level, because we don't know which column user is modifying, right? That's why we are forming the update statement with all three columns, job description, min level and max level. Parameters are JD, level min and level max. And the change here is where we are not including all the column, we just include our key column, job ID equal to the parameter is a key column update. The same way we are forming the delete statement, delete from jobs, where job ID equal to key column delete. So these are all the two customized SQL statements. Next, since we have the SQL strings, we use those SQL string to construct the SQL command. The first SQL command is for update and the second SQL command is for str delete. And here we are supplying the connection, which we kept it as a member, right? And we named this as update command and this is the delete command. So the constructor is SQL command. To that we supplied the string and connection. Now the custom commands are ready. If you see, our update command is taking the parameters, right, at the rate 1, 2, 3 and 4 parameter we need to supply, and this is how we have to supply the parameters. My update command, here we formed it, right, dot parameters. So this is the SQL parameter collection, and SQL parameter collection update parameters. Then to this update parameters we are supplying the parameters. The first one is JD, parameter name, right? That's what we are adding. Then data type, varchar. We know that job description is a string, right? So we are supplying data type as varchar, and its size is 50. You can use the job description varchar 50, right? You can use your underlying data table and supply the size. Then this is actually the database column name, job underscore DESC. So likewise you can supply parameter for min level, max level and key column update. Here if you see, since this is the first column, we provided what each parameter signifies. First one is the parameter name, second one is the data type, size of the column and the actual database column name. Similarly, we are supplying level min, level maximum and the key column. This is used in the where condition, right? Right. So we supplied all the parameters for the update command. So our customized delete command requires only one parameter. So let's apply that. So the parameter for our delete command also ready. My delete command dot parameters, delete parameters, and we are adding only one parameter to it. So that's all. Now our commands are ready, right? First we formed the customized SQL statements for update as well as delete. Since it involves parameter, we used the parameter collection. So using the SQL string, we formed the custom command, SQL command. One is update command and another one is delete command. And from our update command, using the parameter collection, we supply all the parameters, right? Similarly for delete command also, we supply the required parameters. Now we have to add these commands, customized command, my update and my delete, to the SQL adapter. So adapter, if you see, we kept adapter as a member, and that get populated in the form load, and when user clicks the custom command, we provide update command and delete command, right? Adapter.updateCommand, my update command, adapter.delete command, and if you need, you can form adapter.InsertCommand as well, right? So in this example, we are not using the insert command, just use customized update and delete. Insert will be taken from this command builder itself. When user clicks the update, select command is already provided here. Update command is provided here through this custom command. Delete also provided here. Since we don't have insert will be taken from this command builder. That's all here, and if you see the message custom commands were set is displayed in the label status text, then we are enabling the timer, and the timer will display this message for 4 seconds. We already saw that here in our previous example. Alright, let's rebuild this solution. Okay, now we can run it. This time we will set the custom commands. Custom commands were set, and we will clear the SQL profiler and we will do the test again. So let's do the insert. I don't want to collapse the existing data, that's why creating the new one. Editor 4 40 60, right? Update to DB, and we know that this will take the default command builder's command. Now let's proceed with the modification. So editor 4, I am making it as editor 23. Here I'm giving minimum level as 41. Let's do the update to DB. Okay, let's do the modification. Editor 23, and we will click outside the row. That's the mistake we made, maybe. Now let's click on update to DB. Here it shows update to DB completed. Now let's go to the SQL server, and this time if you see, okay, we need to set the custom command. Before that we will delete this row. Update to DB. Or we can even skip that row, let it pick 3090. So the new job here is 18. Maybe we need to refresh the database. For now I'm giving here 18. Now we will modify this. New job 220, and let's click update to DB, and it states that update to DB completed. Let's set the custom commands, and we will make it as new job 2 and update to DB. Update to DB is completed now, and this time if you see, it makes use of the key column, right? And where condition doesn't involve all the columns, whereas here in our previous update, if you see, this update is supplied by the, where is the where condition? So this update, it was supplied by the SqlCommand and the second update is our customized update. Let's clear this and delete this column, and you can see I'm deleting the keyboard and then pushing the update to the DB. So update to DB completed, and you can see delete from jobs where job ID equal to key column. So now our example is using the customized commands or simplified commands. Alright, we will execute it here, and you can see now the database is back to the original state. That means we introduced a new row, then we modified it, and after that we deleted that. You also saw how we used the custom command here. That's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.